For CAT, having the basic understanding of the concept can help you solve any problem. I have the ability to look at complex data and simplify it to understand what it is actually trying to convey. Having scored more than 99 percentile myself in this section, I can tell you how you can do the same. With the right approach and a few shortcuts and tricks here and there, I will help you to increase your accuracy and take on this section more confidently. I am Riya Agarwal and I teach live on Unacademy Plus.